by removing headrest from the seat. You will need to align the headrest cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Install your headrest cover. Make sure you align the sides and Velcro both straps together to ensure a snug fit. Backrest. Make sure you align backrest cover correctly by matching its contours and cutouts. Place over your backrest cushion and don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of your backrest as shown. Grab the flap from the bottom of the backrest cover and push it to the back as shown. Use the slanted side of the installation tool to better help yourself with the install. Bottom cushion. Place your bottom cushion cover over the seat, making sure you match the cutouts and contours of the seat. Flip over to the other side and undo the straps from each other. Place it over your seat just the way you like it for a better fit. For the side of the seat, you will need to use the installation tool as shown. Make sure you push through the side flap of the seat cover in between the plastic and the bottom cushion. For the bottom cushion back flap, you will first need to push the straps to the back of the seat and then tuck into the flap as shown. Backrest plastic tabs. Please note that there will be limited space for you to work here. Grab each of the plastic tabs and start to push them in between the back of the cushion and the plastic from your seat as shown. You will need to use the installation tool to better help yourself with the install. Follow this step for the rest of the tabs. Let's not forget about the side airbag flap. Back seat bottom car flap. Please note, if you aren't able to remove this flap, you will have limited space to slightly pull back and pull through the straps as shown. For this next step, you will need to use the installation tool provided to help you push the straps to the front of the seat, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wiring from underneath your bottom cushion. Go ahead and buckle the straps together to the correct one and pull tight for a better fit. Lastly, you can set your headrest back onto your seat. Go ahead and do as you did before. Remove your headrest from the seats and place your headrest cover on. Making sure you align the sides with the cutouts and contours of the headrest as shown. Backrest. Go ahead and choose the seat cover you want to install. Making sure you align the cutouts and contours of the seat with the ones on the seat cover. Bring your seat slightly forward to better help yourself. Go ahead and place your seat cover over the seat and start sliding it down slowly. Don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of your seat as shown. Backrest bottom flap. You will need to push the bottom flap to the back of the seat by using the slanted side of the installation tool as shown. Back of the seat flaps and Velcro straps. You will need to lift the built-in car flap and reach in to pull through the seat flaps and Velcro together as shown. Back row bottom cushion. Place the seat cover you want to install over the seat, making sure you align the contours of the seat cover with the ones on the seat for a better fit. Flip your seat cover over and then undo the buckles from each other as shown. Go ahead and place your seat cover over your seat starting from front to back. Use your installation tool to help yourself push the side flap all the way down as shown. Go ahead and push remaining flap and straps to the back of the seat by using the tool provided for you. For the bottom portion of the seat, you will need to reach all the way to the back of the seat and pull the straps to the front and buckle together as shown. Don't forget that third side buckle. %60 backrest seat cover. Grab your seat cover and place over the seat, making sure it matches the cutouts and contours of the seat. Go ahead and unzip the seat cover and place over the seat as shown. Start from the left side, making sure you press down on cross-like cuttings on top of the seat. Grab your integrated seat belt and you're going to pass the rest of the seat cover under the seat belt and not over. Bring your seat slightly forward and place the rest of the seat cover over the seat, following the same steps as before. For the bottom flaps, you will need to push in between the backrest and the bottom cushion as shown. Bring the backrest forward and do as you did before, reach in and pull the backrest flaps through and Velcro together. Don't forget about the zipper. Middle console or cup holder, you will have some plastic tap that you will need to tuck in between the cushion as shown. Lastly, place your cup holder cover on and Velcro together for a secure fit. (60% bottom cushion seat cover). Place your seat cover over the seat, making sure the contours of the cover match the one on the bottom cushion. Flip your cover over to the other side and undo the buckles as shown. For the bottom cushion flaps, you will need to bring your backrest slightly forward and push the straps in between the bottom cushion and backrest as shown. Reach to the back and pull through the straps to the front of the seat and connect each buckle to the strap as shown. Lastly, place your headrest back on top of your seat. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your custom CalTrend seat covers.